Hi Frank, this is the baby, and I will show you after I phoned or after I watched up Frank. Frank, you are a star. You are the go-to man when it comes to Africa Twins. So then you said to me, it could be two things. It could be a CDI or three things. It could be a faulty ref counter, or it could be behind wiring. And yes, then I took the cluster off, checked the wiring, and I'll start it for you. And there she goes. I'm a very happy man. So yeah, thank you Frank, I really appreciate all your help, and you always respond immediately.